Time now for First Alert Weather with meteorologist Rob Nucatola.
Well, good morning and happy Thursday, everybody. 24-hour temperature cast going to look a lot like it did yesterday. These next couple of hours, it's going to be a lot of low 70s. But all of a sudden, 9, 10, 11 o'clock, those temperatures should spike on up near 90 and stay there for several hours. I think like yesterday, we saw a bunch of lower to mid 90s. Going to do that again today. So expect those temperatures 92, 93, 94. Hopefully that's about all. And we are expecting several hours of those hot temperatures because I'm not expecting very many showers to knock those temperatures down. Hopefully tomorrow will bring in some better chances to get wet, and even then, not great chances. A lot going on as we take a look at the big picture satellite radar composite. First things first, we've got some energy coming out of parts of Texas and Oklahoma where more big showers, more big storms, and this is all part of that same system that's going to try to drag this next boundary into our area tomorrow to hopefully enhance our chances for a few scattered showers. But that's probably the best we're going to be able to get are some additional scattered showers. There'll be bigger rains that stay way to our north with that energy. Then if we look towards the bottom of the screen, that's where all that tropical moisture is trying to reorganize. Even if it doesn't, it's going to be spreading plenty of rains to areas like Cuba and the Florida Keys and southwestern Florida. And that's some good news for some areas that could use some rain. Hopefully it's just rain and not big winds and some of the other things that sometimes accompany some of that tropical energy. So lots to keep our eyes on. None of it really expected to directly impact our forecast. But in case anything changes, we continue to watch. It's 70 right now in Quincy, 72 in Bainbridge, Thomasville, Moultrie, Camilla, Valdosta, all 68 degrees. We're at 69 in Perry. On the Futurecast, we go through our day today like yesterday. Going to be a lot of blue in the sky. As we get to tomorrow, especially later in the day tomorrow, now that boundary tries to get her to put the little extra squeeze on the air between that and maybe a little sea breeze that tries really hard to get going. I think we can get at least some scattered showers tomorrow, but that's all we're looking for. And at the same time, by the way, by tomorrow night, we're looking to the south of the I-4 corridor. That's where those rain chances are going to start cranking up as that tropical moisture, whatever we're calling it by then, starts to bring that energy and bring it right across the Florida Peninsula by Saturday, Sunday, and eventually out towards the Bahamas. So not expected to turn and come this way, expected to bring some serious rains maybe to parts of south and southwestern Florida. As we check on the tropics, and our tropical outlook upgrades that chance for some kind of formation over the next 48 hours to 80%. That means we're kind of expecting it. Here's what it looks like on the tropical satellite imagery. And maybe you can see some of those purples and reds sort of blooming just south of the Yucatan. So there is some decent convection, those showers, those storms. And that does bode well for some sort of development, especially over an area here in the Caribbean that doesn't look particularly hostile and definitely has some pretty warm water, the fuel for these kind of systems. So lots to keep our eyes on. Nothing that we expect to impact our forecast directly. Plenty of sunshine for the boaters today. Winds out of the east and then eventually southwest, 8 to 16. And like yesterday, those seas like 2 to 4 feet. We'll go with some patchy fog this morning, though we're doing okay. 60s, 70s for now. Plenty of sunshine. That's going to get those temperatures climbing. I think the warm spots away from the coast will likely find the mid 90s. And rain chances like 20%. That's it. So I'm not expecting very many showers. Back near 70 again tonight. Get used to that. As a matter of fact, like 92, 93, and 70 seems about where we're going to be for the next week. Those rain chances, we'd like them to be a little higher, but maybe Friday's our best shot, and even then, it's not a great shot.